Hi friends, welcome back. So today we will do class 8 science chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. So let's start with today's session. First of all, what do you mean by synthetic fiber and plastic? We all are familiar with the word synthetic. What does it mean? Synthetic means which is not natural. Not natural. जो चीज नेचुरल नहीं है उसे हम सिंथेटिक यूज करते हैं उसके लिए. और वी कैन से इट्स मैन मेड. So there are many types of fibers. Fibers is actually clothes. कपड़ा है जिससे हमारे क्लोथ्स बने हैं. So synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. And the second word plastic. Plastic हमें पता है we use in our daily life. Polythene bags we can say. और प्लास्टिक के पॉलिथीन बैग्स आर प्लास्टिक. जो हमारे टॉयज हैं, प्लास्टिक चेयर्स हैं, ऑल इज प्लास्टिक. So synthetic fibers and plastic. For these two terms we will study this chapter and we will cover this in the whole chapter. So the clothes we wear are made of fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers. Right? हमने क्या पढ़ना है? Fibers पढ़ना है. And when we combine fibers, it will form fabric. Fabric is the cloth we are wearing. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources, and which are obtained from artificial sources are called synthetic fibers. Now, fibers are also used for making a large variety of household articles. Like, for example, what we can say, rope. Rope is made from fiber, or we can say fabric. It's very hard. Type of fiber is actually artificial. Bed sheets in our house made of can be natural, can be artificial. Right? So there are many things except the clothes we wear, shoes we wear. Right? The bags which we use. Bedsheet can be artificial or natural. Shoes are artificially prepared. Bags are also artificially prepared. So there are many things which you can see around us made from fiber or fabric. So we all know that natural fibers like cotton, wool and silk are obtained from plants and animals, and these all are natural fibers. Which are obtained from plants or animals are natural fibers or fabrics. So the synthetic fibers on the other hand are made by human beings and are called synthetic or man-made fibers that are made by human beings using various chemical processes are called synthetic fibers. Now if you can see here, we can see a chain. We can see a chain made by joining many number of beads. A number of beads are used to form this chain type. ये है कि एक्चुअली में माला बनी किससे? स्मॉल बीड से. ऐसे ही जो हमारा क्लोथ होता है वो भी स्मॉल यूनिट से बना है. स्मॉल यूनिट्स यूज करके लार्जर बन गया. यू कैन से स्मॉल यूनिट्स को ज्वाइन करके एक लार्जर नेकलेस बनाया. सिमिलरली जो हमारा क्लोथ होता है वो भी स्मॉल यूनिट से जोड़ के हमारा एक लार्ज नेकलेस टाइप और वी कैन से चेन टाइप सब्सटेंस बन जाता है विच वी कॉल एज थ्रेड और फाइबर. अनदर एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक ऑफ पेपर क्लिप्स. सी वी हैव जॉइंड अ नंबर ऑफ पेपर क्लिप्स टू फॉर्म अ लॉन्ग चेन. राइट? इन दिस वे our fiber is also formed. We have a term called monomer. जब हम नंबर ऑफ मोनोमर्स को कंबाइन करेंगे then it will form polymer. Number of monomers are called polymer. तो जैसे हमने यहाँ पे एक एक बीड्स को कंबाइन करके नेकलेस बनाया, एक एक पिन को कंबाइन करके लॉन्ग चेन बनाया, सिमिलरली मोनोमर्स को कंबाइन करके पॉलीमर्स बनेगा. So a synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together, and each small unit is actually a chemical substance, and many such small units combine to form a larger unit called polymer. What we call as these small units are monomers, and monomers combine to form polymer. I hope it's clear to you now. Poly means many and mer means unit or part. So many parts are called polymer. Mono is single, poly is many. I hope now it's clear to you. Let's revise once. First of all, what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are the fibers prepared by man using or by different chemical processes. Clear? Synthetic fibers are the fibers prepared by human beings by different chemical processes and substances. It can be combination of two or more synthetic fibers. It can be a fully synthetic fibers, right? And the second thing we have done is monomer and polymer. Monomers and polymers. What are monomers? Small units that combine to form polymer. Each small unit of a polymer is monomer. And what is a polymer? Polymers are the substances made by using or made by the combination of different monomers. When the monomers combine, they will form polymers. Clear? Like for example, cotton. It is a polymer. Called cellulose, and cellulose, it is made from large number of glucose units. Cotton is a polymer called cellulose, and cellulose is made from glucose. So here glucose molecules are monomer and cellulose is a polymer. Like polymers occur in nature also. The example of cotton is given. It is a polymer called cellulose which is made up of large number of glucose units. So glucose here is monomer and cellulose is a polymer. Now the next topic is types of synthetic fibers that we will do in our next video. Thank you for watching. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दीजिएगा एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.